Today my daughter is gonna create her first website totally for free.
I want to make a website about my favorite things. So we
Get started.
Yes.
And
Continue with
Google.
Okay, now is loading. Now I need to name it.
Enter your name, your website name. Yes, but we need to move our image out of the way. Just
Okay.
a moment. So this will be needed.
Okay, yes. Okay, Dad. Image.
Click give your site a name.
Okay.
Okay, now we can
It's sad because I can't put emojis.
go to appearance, okay, and select which theme do you like from here.
Okay. I think this.
This one. Click activate. We can go to posts and upload our first post. This is
Where
our
I-
first post on the internet.
Can I put emojis here?
Emojis, yes. We can move ourselves out of the way
This camera
and
is.
click set
This
feature.
camera is.
Okay, now click.
Emoji.
Oh yeah, the emoji.
Publish. Publish.
And our first post is live. We
View.
can go view post. Click here
Or here.
or that. Yeah.
Capybara, kawaii capybara box. So
Wow.
beautiful.
The WordPress logo and
We're red.
Here it
So
is.
beautiful. Published by Mac is that on September 21, 2025.
and here are all the posts you
Okay,
published.
let's see. Autumn. If you're British, for you is fall. And emojis. Squishmallow blind bag. Cinnamon roll laptop squishy. Lavender ice cream sundae slime made by me. If you wanna see more posts,
Click
open.
on the link below
Yes.
this video and you will find this little blog that we just built.
Yes.
And for the first try, it's pretty good. It's not bad actually. If
Pretty good.
if a 9-year-old can do this site, you can also do it. So give it a try.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah. Bye bye.